Hi, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you quickly how to get Udemy courses for free, and then you're able to get certificates at the end of your study. All right. Okay, so I want you to understand that this is completely legal. All right, because we are not hacking anything. We are just making use of the free resources that are online. Those are the free coupons. All right. So how you are going to get them for free, I'm going to be showing you in this video. All right. So just so you see what I mean, if I check through this, I check through my purchase history. This is actually a new account that I created for this purpose, so just to show you. So you can see that today alone, so I'm recording this 20th of December, today alone I've purchased a whole lot. All right, so it means you can actually get courses for free. It's a whole lot of them. All right, so you check this place, you see 3. You check this place, you see another 3 courses. You check this place, 8 courses, you know. So then at my own leisure time, I can sit and then start going through the courses one after the other. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do the same also. You check through whatever site you want, but what I say is this: don't resell any course that you get on Udemy. It is illegal. It is not permitted. All right, it's not allowed for you to resell any courses. So the purpose is strictly for you to learn, and that's why the creators of the courses themselves are giving us free coupons. So where do you get the free coupons from? I'm going to show us quickly. I'll show us 4 different ways. Number 1, you go to is a Telegram channel. All right, so I'm going to share the link. I believe you can see it. You'll be able to see it on the screen. It's a Telegram channel where you'll be able to access these courses. And why I like this Telegram channel is it goes straight to the point. It just drops the link. So not that you are getting to a channel and then you are getting to a link and then they are redirecting you to other sites. You get, so it can be very frustrating. So this is the first one. Just you see the link in the description section below. All right, so you just click on whichever link. You'll have seen the topic of the course there. So let's say I want this, for example, now web server, create my own standalone server for myself. So what you need to do is just to click on it. So I'm going to right click it so that I see it on another tab. Okay, and then the simple idea around it is that, can you see this coupon code here? This is the coupon code that makes it free. Okay, this particular code, this is what makes the course free. Right, so it had opened it here, it had opened the course, and you can see that the coupon had been applied already. So let me move this to this side. Right, so you can see that this coupon had been applied already. Okay, and then that makes the course free for us. So if, for example, this is a course you are interested in, all you just need to do is to either add to cart or enroll now. Okay, once you enroll now, you won't be asked for any cards to make payment or anything of such. Click on enroll now, and then you see here you have been successfully enrolled into this course, and then great choice, and then I have the prompting to start learning my course. Okay, so that is the number 1 way to get free courses on Udemy. All right, so if I start course, for example, what you see is that so I don't need this. Okay, yeah, so what you see is that I'm able to go through all the entire, this is the course content. Okay, so I'm able to go to all the entire course for free, and then I get my certificate of my completion of the course. All right, so I want to close that. Number 2 way that you can get free courses online is through this site, Coursevania. All right, so I'm also going to drop the link, or I believe you can see it on your screen, coursevania.com. So once you open it, all right, you see the different courses that are here that you can take for free. So you see different courses that are here. So what you just need to do is simple, click on any one of them. So let's say I click on this, for example, it brings me to this page, right? You can get quite some pop-ups of adverts and all, right? Expect that, okay? But you click on get Udemy. I hope, okay, this is what I was just saying. So I hope you got what I just clicked on. So when I clicked on this, it brought out this, and then I click on this, get on Udemy. So it opens this up, but I already got it. I already got the course here. So that's why it's like that. So that is way number 2. Okay. Way number 3 to get a course for free on Udemy. The third way that I'm going to be showing us is this site. This is it here, dixudemy.com. dixudemy.com. all right, so you can actually see it in different languages. Okay, so you can either search for your free English Udemy courses here or all coupons. So I just clicked on all coupons, all right, and then you can select any one you want here. So let's say, for example, I want to learn Scrum Master certificate. Okay, this Scrum Master is a course on project management, for example, right? So I see it here, and then I scroll down, take the course, see what I was just saying. So I close this, all right, and then you will see the code here, all right, the link to the course. So you just click on it, and then it gets you straight to the course. So here you can apply, add to cart, you get, or better still, you can just enroll to the course directly. So enroll now, it's for free, and then you are in to take the course. All right, so that's that for this particular course. It's quite straightforward. Okay, if you are new to this channel, I share skills, ideas, links, opportunities online on how you can be financially empowered. All right, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and then if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button so that it will help the video to rank higher and help more people. All right, thank you. Yeah, so and then here you can come to learn your course. When you are done with the course, you can get the certificate. Okay, and then lastly that I'm going to be showing us today is this site, couponscorpion.com. It's also on the screen, couponscorpion.com. all right, so when you click on it, it brings you here, all right, and then you are able to look for whatever course that you want. Okay, so let's say, for example, you are interested in this course. So the good thing here is that you can actually see the time that it was last dropped. Okay, so let's say you are interested in this course, for example, on crypto airdrop farming guide and strategy for, so let me click on it, and then strategy for beginners. Okay, 100% off, and then scroll down to this place. I wait for the button to load. It's actually a free course, so you wouldn't mind the different pops up that you're getting on your screen. So get the coupon code, so it opens it directly for me. And then if I'm also interested in this course, what you just need to do, so how to farm crypto airdrops and learn how to participate and benefit from these exciting opportunities. Okay, so you just click on enroll now, and then you are good to go. All right, so So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget, again, hit on the subscribe button if you're here to do so, and hit on notification bell so that you can be notified when next I post a video. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.